Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Virgos. We are picking few cards, guys. So, first, for your general energies, these are the cards. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. So, we will turn these cards, guys, as we proceed. And I have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading, so that will come right after this general energy, guys. So, let's start with these cards. We have Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Swords in reverse, and Six of Cups. So, in your situation, Virgos, today, you are really feeling happy, successful today. Maybe certain things are going right. You may see some kind of coincidences in your situation, and you are talking about this success story to your friends or family or the people you work with. So, some kind of a positive change is coming in your situation, and um so you may see certain coincidences just when you are planning to do something that may uh, what to say take a shape or come to you without you asking. So some kind of coincidence that way, or that if you maybe you are planning to meet someone and that person is coming to meet you, so you may see such coincidences, guys, in your situation, and things are going well, maybe in your career or personal life. Whatever expectations you have, all that is taking shape, reaching, getting completed, maybe. So, all your efforts are giving you good results in your career situation and in your life, in your personal life. You are simply feeling happy, content. That emotional satisfaction is there in your situation, guys. And you are really successful today. Maybe you have successfully completed certain things, maybe in your career, or maybe you feel luck is smiling on you today. Maybe this person has accepted your proposal and you feel really happy to be in this state today. Maybe you are planning to get engaged or get married to this person, and or this may be their energy. They are really happy that you have proposed to them and you're planning to get married to them, guys. And you are talking, sharing your happiness with the people you love, maybe friends or family. So, that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Virgos. So, happy destiny is unfolding in your life today, guys. Let's see what is the card. First, for our relationship, we picked one card, and it is World in reverse. So things are going in a very positive way in your relationship. You maybe, for some of you, you would have felt that you need to communicate more deeply with this person, or this person needs to have that open heart communication with you. And maybe you are doing that today, or maybe they are doing that today, and you are simply feeling happy and content with this person. And maybe for some of you guys, I see that this may be your karmic destiny, this relationship. Some kind of past life connection or something has brought this person in your life, and you feel really familiar with them. You have a great familiarity with this person and a deep bond and affection with them, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. Virgos, let's see what is the card for your relationship. Career situation, guys. Sorry. Career. We have Hermit in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, in your career, you are being really cautious when you are making some important decisions, guys, but it may be too much caution for some of you. If you are if you have that determination that it is the right choice, you can take that up, guys. You need not fear. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your general energies. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and today's reading is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys, regarding your situation. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can meditate for a few seconds, think about your situation, and you can think about the crystals and choose the crystal which comes to you first. So that way, that card, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so we will see what is the card, the first card for us with this crystal. So we will see what it is. It is Nixie of Melpont, memory. So that is the card here. So for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your situation today, you are trying to avoid some people, or you are trying to avoid a certain situation. But with this card, the clear message is that you cannot avoid it, guys, or you cannot control your own feelings. Maybe you have strong feelings towards someone and you are trying to avoid meeting them, or you are trying to avoid this connection or trying to avoid that relationship. But whatever you are trying to do, if you want to free yourself from that fear or that burden, that emotional burden you have, you should be ready to face this situation. Only then you will be able to move forward in your life, in your situation. So whatever sorrow this circumstance brings, after meeting this person, it will turn to joy and love, and you will feel that true emotional connection with this person, and that soul to soul connection and some kind of bonding. But you have some fears, that is the reason you are trying to avoid. You need to overcome those fears, guys. That is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card and this first crystal. So let's see what is the second card. I will leave it here now. So with this second card, guys, let's see what is the card. The Snow Queen, loyalty. So this just means that there is someone really close to you. You have a very deep friendship with someone, and this friendship stands for that innocence and that heartfelt communication, understanding. So maybe it is a very enduring friendship that you have with this person, and it has stood its time, faced lot of trials maybe. And maybe for some of you, this person you consider as your friend or very close to you, this may be the person you love. Something has come up and this person has gone cold and unresponsive. Maybe they are having some obsessions or addictions. That may be the reason. But you need to have hope in this friendship. Maybe today this it may be going through some kind of a difficult phase in this connection or in this friendship, but very soon it is going to get back. You are going to feel magic in this connection. You are going to feel loved and loyal and feel that trust with this person, guys. So everything is going to come back to what it was before. Maybe for some of you, you are missing that friendly nature of this person you love, and that this person has given you a cold shoulder, maybe for some reason, but they are going to come back to you, and you are going to feel loved, and you are going to feel that trust on this person once again, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.